For a homeowner like you, a building is two things: home for your family and one of your biggest investments. But sometimes, things are beyond your control, like weather conditions that leaves your roof vulnerable to water leaks and severe damages that leaves you with no option than to spend an alarming sum of money and precious time to change the entire roofing system of your building. That's why, with NewTek Paint technology, you don't have to break a bank to reinstall a new roof, because our products can preserve it against damages while leaving your roof as good as new, strong and durable for years to come. And it costs just 30% of the total cost of a complete reinstallation of a roofing system, with benefits of 15 years warranty, valuable time saved, and protection against future roofing problems. Don't reinstall your roofing system. Restore its strength and beauty with NewTek Paint technology. Be like other smart homeowners and choose NewTek for your roof. Call us today on 0803 716 3576 or visit www.plusworld.com.ng for more information.